Ladies and gentlemen, Ni Hao Ma, and welcome to this auspicious and austere occasion, the unveiling of the State House Wellness Center and the handing over of list of equipment for the Wellness Center. Our program will be in three parts. The first part is the unveiling of the plaque by the Party Secretary and His Excellency the President, and the second part will be the handing over of gym equipment by the Director General of Foreign Affairs and the Official Secretary, and the final part will be the planting of an indigenous tree by the Party Secretary and His Excellency the President. Without further ado, I have the honor to invite His Excellency the Party Secretary and His Excellency the President to please do the honors in unveiling the plaque.
Thank you.
Good.
There we go. Come on.
Okay. Okay.
Set, thank you.